Hi, I'm Olga Shalamova. I've been working as iconographer with egg tempera technique for about 20 years. From my experience, I know that this technique works in a variety of ways. You can proceed and study different methods for painting the face. We are going to learn and practice the sankir or proplasmos method and the sankirless or membrane method and the combined method. In each lesson, we will paint one or two faces and discuss the fundamentals. I hope at the end of the course you will be able to use egg tempera technique professionally and will understand which technique to use for different effects. In this course we are going to train and practice a lot. So I choose inexpensive but good quality materials to work with. Be sure to check the course description for the list of materials you will need.